Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can use Seaborn library to display your dataset in a form of box plots. So here we are using Tune dataset and we are using Seaborn library, PyPlot library or Matplotlib and Pandas library. With the help of Pandas library we are opening the CSV file by using read CSV function, and we are creating a dataset churn and we are displaying the information of this particular dataset of 5 records. Now on the basis of tenure and the value of access churn, we can display the box plot information like this. You see on the dataset of churn we have display the information is box plot, tenure and churn. Here we have the tenure, the time period, that we have the churn information. So no on this box and yes information on this box, and we may use the palettes also. For that, you see, we can use the palette information on the basis of contract and tenure. It will display information in more valuable by using palettes. But if you want to use the line width, you want to enable these line in the width of 3 size, means you can do some changes in line width. So you can do like this, line width you can set with the help of line width attribute. Now we can order by, you see here we have month, then 1 year contact, then 2 year contact. So we can do as per the information we are providing here. So first I want 2 year, then month and then 1 year. So I can do this by order clause, order attribute. You see the first information will come this one, 2 year, then month and then 1 year. So we do by using the order attribute. And we can also calculate the box plot on the basis of payment. We have hue as a payment. So on the basis of payment we can display the boxes. You like this, we have the hue, electronics checks, mail checks, bank transfer and credit card. So these information can be distributed like this with the help of hue of box plot. So we can use box plot of Seaborn library to display information in box layouts. So this is the way to use this libraries. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.